Yeah, it's proud of the girls. It's a hard condition to play with, and we stuck in there until the last minute. Leading up to the week, today we talk about performance, individual performance. We look after first things first, and there was a bit of disappointment moment there, but we take the win. So proud of the girls. Well, we talk about patience. We need to keep the ball. We need to play and just make sure that we don't throw those 50-50 balls, which nearly cost us. And like I said, we stuck in there, and so we get the result we wanted. Yeah, they stood out, especially the young Caleta. She stood out. She had a moment in there. Really proud of her performance, and it's all about the team effort out there, and we look out for each other. The message was just our discipline, a discipline to stay in the game, and a discipline to keep a composure. So it's just do the little things right, and that's individually that's individual skills, and as a team we need in chaos we need to find our shape. We need to stick in our game. So uh, that's that's what's the message. Yes, it's good to see big numbers turn up to get behind the girls. I'm sure everyone is happy about the performance and the result.
Despite the weather, I think we always prepare for the worst. The girls did well. Despite the mistakes we did in the first half, they bounced back in the second half. And those last few minutes were just so nerve wracking. Even though they didn't take the 3 points, they opted to take the 5 points, and just shows how much the girls trusted the process and just was really patient under the post in our green zone. And just credit back to them for finishing up on a high. And we, like Coach said, we take the win. Oh, I think that's something that we always like believe in ourselves. If you have the confidence, we can take those 5 points and get it across that line. And it showed in those last 5 minutes. And just like I said, just credit back to those girls who finished off that game.
Coach, really tight competition in this whole tournament. You have got Portugal in with it's hard. What those are the challenges that lies ahead?
Like I always said, I just mentioned to the girls at the changing room, we will celebrate today's win, and tomorrow we start again, and we focus on our preparations against the against the Western Force team. So we will go again. We review our footage, review our games, and we learn and we go again.
Oh, just thank you for coming out in numbers today. We didn't expect the crowd to be this big. And just keep supporting your favorite team, Fiji Drua.
Naka, Tosan Drua.
Tosun Drua.
Naka.